huge winter storm closed government offices in Washington today and caused problems from North Dakota to New England. Snow piled up to a record high in Minneapolis tonight. In the east, there is sleet and heavy rain. Here's Don Daler.
From the Midwest to the Northeast, a massive winter storm is making a mess. Nearly 3,000 flights were canceled.
A little distressing. We found out that our flight has been canceled to Boston.
It's even worse on the roads, with crashes all across the country. Washington, D.C. had another shutdown today, but not because of politics. Schools and businesses closed in dozens of states. And one Midwest city shattered a record.
Minnesota, no snow. In fact, they get so much here in Minneapolis that they built these skyways so that people can walk between buildings and keep their feet warm. But they have never seen a February like this. More snow than ever since record keeping began back in 1885.
In Maryland and Ohio,
Wow, it's thunder snow.
And in New Jersey, the governor declared a state of emergency.
When you're on your way home, please take it slow and use common sense and caution.
There are those who took off work so they could stay off the roads, but for some who are headed home right about now, their knuckles might be as white as the snow-swept highways they're on. And Jeff, for parts of the country, there is even more snow headed their way by the weekend.
Oh, great. Don Daler, thank you very much in Minneapolis tonight.